Hello everyone. Let's talk about half whole diminished scale. This is type 2, so be careful. We're talking about half whole diminished scale. So this is built from alternating half steps and whole steps. And it is generally used over resolving dominant 7 chord to produce an altered dominant sound. For example, we can use G half whole diminished scale over G7, which has to be resolving, and that would produce a G altered sound. So I've already written out the G half whole diminished scale here. Let's take a look. So again, alternating half steps and whole steps. So G, A flat, and then whole steps I would go to A sharp, half step go to B, whole step go to C sharp, right? So C sharp is just D flat, so I'm going to put it down here. And half step go to D, whole step go to E, half step go to F. All right. Yeah. And let's look at the chord tones of a G dominant 7th chord. So that's going to be G, major 3rd B, perfect 5th, that's D, and then flat 7, that's F. So again, if we deliberately look for the G7 chord in this scale, let's take a look. So we have G, yeah. We also have B note. We have D, and we can also find F. All right. So this time, the G half whole diminished scale is basically a G7th chord tone. So all chord tones. So all chord tones, not just shell, but all chord tones. Plus the following notes. All right. So A flat is just a flat 9. A sharp, it's sharp 9. So D flat or C sharp, it's a flat 5, right? And then E, that's a major 6 or 13 if you want. So it's basically the chord tones of G dominant 7 chord plus sharp 9, flat 9, plus flat 5, plus major 6 or 13, major 13. All right. So that's a formula, a little bit messier than the previous one. So anyway, sharp 9, flat 9 would be the, and also the flat 5 would be the altered tensions. Okay, cool.